Hi everyone, in today's video I will like to tell you that how to create holiday list on Sowaan ERP. So for creating holiday list on Sowaan ERP, we will going to type holiday list in our search bar. As you can see that holiday list is here, so we will click on this, and for adding new holiday list we will press this add holiday list button, and then we will give a title to our holiday list. Let's say holiday list for 2026. Now we will going to enter from date and to date over here. So in our case we will be starting it from 1st January to 31st December 2026. Now we will going to add the holiday weekly holiday over here. For example, in our organization, if we are having weekly off for Friday, so I will be type selecting Friday from here and then press this button, holiday add to holidays. So it will going to add all the Fridays of 2026 over here. Let's say in our organization there are two weekly offs. One is on Friday and the other one is on Saturday, so we can add Saturday too. We will come here and then select Saturday and then press add to the holiday. Now we can see after saving, we can see Friday and Saturday, all the Fridays and Saturday of 2026 is over here. Now the second thing is adding local holiday list. So for local holiday list we will come here at local holiday and we will select the country. For example, if our organization is in Saudi Arabia, we will select Saudi from here and then press this add to holidays. So it will be adding all the national holidays of Saudi in our list, and then save it. Now you can see in 2026 our organization will be having 114 holidays, including all this Friday and all the Saturday, and including all the national holiday of Saudi Arabia.